Okay, hey there YouTube. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of May 2019. It's about 11:59 in the morning, and I am out here in Colorado. Here, I'll turn this around and show you. It's a really cloudy day, but we got some mountains out there. Just to show you, I'm just about 8,000 feet high in elevation. And what I want to do is I want to set up a Followme here. Okay, hit fly there. Draw a rectangle around. Oops. Well, eventually I'll draw a rectangle around me. There we go. All right, and let's do a. Let's see. Is on the track. I wanted to do a dynamic. Okay, that's good enough. Let's get her to follow me here. Yeah, so I'm just going back and forth across the road to make sure that it will follow me. And it is. So if you've been watching my latest videos, you know I was down around the Kendleton area, Kendleton, Texas area, and that elevation was about 95 feet at mainly the park that I was flying at. And like I said, here I am just literally shy of 8,000 feet, 79, 94, 96, something like that. So for all intents and purposes, 8,000 feet. Now on this road I'm walking on, I did just come downhill, and then up here, up in front of us, tilt that up a little bit for you if I can. Yeah, not too much, but it goes uphill, so we'll see. Also, I can tell you there was an update just last night to the Anafi, the firmware, to the controller, and to the app as well. So they've added a couple new features, a geo-lapse that they call it, that you can do basically a time lapse by feet, and then some kind of a time lapse as well. Okay, seems to be letting me move forward a little bit from it. Over to the left of us, you can see at least a little bit. There's some headstones over there. This is a cemetery, and they took the sign down last year. I've been gone from this area for 5.5 months, and I would have thought that they had a sign back up by now, but they have not. Don't look like they've done anything. So that's pretty crazy. But anyway, we'll get right up here to the gate. Now I got 72% battery life back on this. Okay, I'll get it to follow me into the cemetery here. And right here should be a great big gate with a sign. That's not here. So much for that. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is we'll stop this right there for the center. So I'm doing the map here. You should be able to see that. And let's see. So if I select, yeah, I want to do an orbit, and I want to do it to the right. Put it back on here. It looks very dark. I'm gonna Wow, it is out there. I gotta tell you. Yeah, I still see it. It's going around out there. Looks pretty good from my phone, I gotta say. Okay, and it's coming right back up towards me. So when it gets straight of me, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a stop. Okay, now I want to do this orbit here. Let's have it go to the right. Okay, yeah, missed those trees by a long shot. Okay. Okay, let's use orbit again. I hit left this time. And there it goes. It's racing around. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let's have it go ahead and do the parabola to a 98-foot one. Well, I'm small. All right. And there it is. All right, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and do the tornado. Yeah, 98 foot. It's lifting. I think I'll go back down this way. Let's keep him right in the center of the shot. These shots are pretty impressive, I gotta say. Okay, it's one halfway done. All right. And there it is. All right, last but not least, let's do the boomerang. We'll do the 98-foot one. It's counting down. 1, go. It's got me small. All right, there we go. All right, pretty cool. Let's do one more orbit to the right. Okay, and this battery life is down to 31%. 30% now, actually. Okay, let's try another orbit here. I'm gonna hit takeoff. Up she is. Let's get it up just a little bit. Of course, it says I'm too close, which I understand that. There we go, that went off screen. This battery has 94% life in it. It's too low, so here, I'll lift it up. We'll try to make it happier. Because we want it to be happy. So now we're back out on the main road. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and try the tornado. Just 33 feet. All right. Step on the high side of the road as this comes back down. All right, so there's that.